We back in the trap, Silicon Trap that is. It's your boy Codehova, and this video in Pimpin' Swift is going to be about comments and debugging. So we saw comments and debugging in the previous video, but just to clarify things. So when we want to write a comment, right, it's like when you write code, there's times when you just need to remind yourself of what this is and what that's doing. So let me just get on with it, right? So it's like, if you have just a simple comment you want to write, what you do is you write 2 backslashes like that. And you be like, what's up, Playboy? What it do? So this is something, that that only you're going to read. This line of text, it's not going to be processed by the computer to do what you want it to do. It's like when you write something like 1 + 1, right? If we just wait, as you see on the right, the computer has already evaluated this line of code and said, 1 + 1 is equal to 2. But what's up, Playboy? What it do? Did nothing, because the computer is just going to completely ignore that. That's just for human eyes only. So what we have here is a simple 1-line comment statement. Another way to write a comment, if it's going to be like a long block of text or whatnot, it's like you do a 1 backslash and you start with the star symbol, and then you end it with a star symbol with a backslash. So it's like, I could be like 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, get the door. I don't even know that if that's right, but you get what I'm saying. It's like, this could be 2 lines, it could be 1 line, it could be 40 lines, it could be however many lines. So that's how you write comments. How you write the print statements, you just type in the word print, open parentheses, close parentheses. But within this right here, that's what you put, what you want to print. Because right now we're in the playgrounds. The playground has the value console, where on this right hand side, right, it's going to show you what you have written in the left. But when you're building an Xcode, you're building an app, sometimes you need to like debug, and you need to find out what values you're working with. So you're going to put things in print statements, run the app, go to whatever screen you need to, and print stuff out. And then you're going to look into the debug console to see what you're working with. So it's like, you could put in a string, which is a string is like characters within quotation marks. It could be 1 letter, it could be a whole book. All right? So it's like, what's up? All right, and if we print that, if we wait, the computer is going to print it out to the console. It could be a string, it could be 1 + 25, right? So this is what print statements do, and these are comments. So what you need to know is, like, when you write a comment, you can make this line a comment by pressing Command \, and then you can make it not a comment by getting onto that line, Command \, as well. And you can make this whole block of text. You could, select however many lines you do, and you press Command \. To uncomment it, Command \. That's all you need to do. So you can't do that with comments that are written with the \***, but I rarely use this. I always just use these single line comments, because the thing is like, if you go over, like, if you make this really long, it's gonna line break, so that's why I never use this this kind of comment. Single line comments are the way to go, in my opinion. And at the end of the day, right now in the beginning, right now while you're learning this, you might write comments to yourself to remind yourself of the steps that you have taken, or steps of what this line of code does, what that line of code does. It's like good reminders for you as you're learning. But just know that when you're getting into this in a professional sense, comments are not the business. It's like, if you wrote code that needs comments, it's not really, that's for my wife, not for me. You dig? So yeah, that's comments. That print statements. Those are print statements. Let's get on with it. Let's get to pimping. and have fun with it, man. Because you might be thinking after these videos go on like this is hard. Of course it's hard. It's a new language. But just know that at the end of the video, it's like you're gonna be in a much better place. I don't know what income you're getting now, but the money is good on this side, man. You heard?